Hello all. Let's understand list in Python. So list are nothing but values, list of values separated by comma. So you can have combination of any type of data. It can be string, numbers, anything like that. But usually one type of data is considered when some operations are to be performed in the list of uh, Python. So let's see. So this is a square. This is the name I have given to my list and how it is to be stored in a variable. The name is equal to, and in square brackets, you have to write down the list of the values separated by comma. So here I have considered only the numbers as of now. So here I got the list when I say squares. I'll get this as an output. Okay, the entire thing along with the brackets, along with the comma. Okay, simple as it is. So when we want to consider the only particular value out of this list, like I want to access only 1, only 4, only 9, only 16, only 25. So um, as you know that the list will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, the index will start from 0. So when I'll say square 0, squares 0, the 0th element, it will give me 1. When I'll say square 1, it will give me the value 4. Okay. So this is at position 0. This is at position 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. Now, what if I want to access square minus 1? Why it has given me 25? Because in a reverse way, it will start from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Likewise. Let's see what it gives for minus 2. Is giving me 16. Okay. So this is in a reverse way, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. What we will get for minus 6? Let's see. Nothing. Because here your list is ending and beyond that, it won't show you anything. Even for square 6, we will get the error because we have only 5 elements with us. Okay, so that is simple list. And how we store the values, how we access each of the value out of the list. Now, again, the slicing can be done here in the list. So slicing as in you want to access half of the list from second number you want to access, from the second position you want to access, from third position you want to access. So let's see how it can be done. So I'll write squares and then I want to have a list from minus 3 till then the whole list from minus 3 then beyond. So this is my minus third position number, and after that till the list ends. So after that I have given colon, and after that I have not given any value till what value I want to do. So it will consider the whole list till the end of the list. All the values it will print starting from minus 3 position. Okay. Now you can do it in other way also. You can put this likewise. You're starting from the very first element of the list till minus third position you want to have the list. So only first two will be printed, not the number which is at minus 3. Okay, that won't be printed. But when you are starting from that one, it will consider that number. But till that number is not, number at that position won't be considered. The value at that position won't be considered. Before that, whatever values are there, that will be shown or displayed. Okay. Now you can do the addition, concatenation and all those things using the symbols like addition and all those things, like we do concatenation of strings and everything. So let's see how it can be done. So squares, and I want to add into that the another list. Suppose 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7. Okay. See, after 25, other numbers got added. So I have combined two lists here. Okay, the one which we had having these numbers, and then the another list I wanted to add up. So now this is a single list which is a combination of these two lists. Okay. Now imagine you want to add, or you want to, now this is what we have done, the concatenation of two lists. Now consider this list. Okay. And here, instead of this 25, I want to have value 20. Okay. So the position of this value is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So fourth position we have to change with the another value, suppose 20. Okay. Now we will have the list printed. Let's see whether it is replaced or not. Yes, 25 is now replaced by 20. Okay. Function append, the number will get appended at the end. Okay. So if I say append and 25. Okay. So it won't replace it. It will append it. Now let's see squares. Okay. After 20, new number got added, that is 25. That got pinned. Okay. Now, when you want to replace it, you have to do it this way. When you want to add a single values, you can do append. When you want to concat a list, whole list itself, then you can use the plus sign. Okay. So how we can do, uh, let's take example of the strings, how it can be stored in terms of list. So here I have red. You have to put the values in double quotes. Red and blue, then white. Okay, this is my list. Let's see. Yes, just printing it like this. Okay, in single quotes with the brackets. Same thing happens here. If you want to add any color here, you just have to say append and put the value over there. Suppose black. Now when we say colors, the black will get added at the end. Now we can also, do the slicing like we did here with the numbers, either starting from the particular position and then displaying rest of the numbers of that position, or displaying only numbers of till only given the given position. So that can also be done with the string list of strings. Okay. So let's see. Suppose I want to do colors 2, 5. Starting from second position till fifth position, I want to display. Okay, so white and black are displayed. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now here we want something to start from. This is our list. Okay. Now here I want to display from first position till the entire list. Okay. So starting from black, white, black, starting from first, it has displayed the rest of the list because we have not given the ending position. Now, similarly, here I want to give starting from 1 till 3. So let's see. So it started from 1 till not the till it has not considered the um, third value. It has considered till second only. So first and second are displayed. So till third we have said, not including the 3. Okay. So that is how it can be done. Similarly, when we say these were the strings. Now, if I want to work with the letters or single letters, so that can be possible. So, okay. This is my list. So letters. Here we have got the this thing, the list in the of the letters. Now here, when you have letters in the single quote, when you want to have a list of letters, it is to be given in the single quotes, and they list in the, let's try colors one in the single quote, red and white. And let's see whether it is allowing us or not. One. Okay, it is allowing in the single quotation. Okay. Now, similarly with the letters, when we say we want to have slicing, we want to display particular letters of particular position, that can also be done. We can do appending, we can do anything. Okay, so that is possible. Now, we can have list of list also. Okay, now I'll say list of list. Okay, and here I want to have list of squares, colors, and letters. Okay, so these are the list we already have. Should be colors. Let's see how it works. List of list. When we display, see, the first list is squares, then second list is colors, and the last list is letters. That is displayed, but it is with the round brackets, square brackets. And then those lists are now separated by commas. Okay. So this is how, so it is simply, this square is replaced by this, the comma remains same, colors is replaced by this list, comma remains same, letters is replaced by this list. Okay. So that is possible. Okay, now till now we were accessing all these lists and its values by, putting letters of 0, letters of 1, and something like that. Now when we have list of list, we can access it by the matrices. Like now we have 3 lists here. Let's start with 2 lists first. So I'm creating one more list here right now. Squares, list of list, square and colors. Okay, let's have only this list as of now. So it will be displayed like this. Then we'll go for a list of 3 list. Now here, when I want to access this number and this number, when I access 0 and 0, what I get. Okay, this is 1. Okay, now this is when I want to access 0 of 1, I'll get 4. Okay, so now this is a matrix where we have this one row and we have dynamic columns. Okay, now the column size of this list is different and this list is different. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, here we have 4 columns, but the row is 1. So when you are accessing this number, it is 0 or 0, 0. This number 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Okay, now this is a list 1. When I say the list, now this comes the second column. When I say I want to access red, so it would become 0, 1 of 0. Okay. Okay. This is at column 0 and this is at column 1. See, this square list is at 0th column and this is at first column. So when I want to access this, I have to have 1 and the row is 0. So 1 of 0. Then the column is first, the row is 0. So I can get the black. 1 of 1 will give me Okay. Now we'll go with the list of list. Instead of this, when we'll go with the list of list, not this one, this one where we had 3 list. Okay. Let's see what is displayed. Now this is the first column. This is the second column. This is the third column. So first column is always represented by 0. Second column is represented by 1. And third column will be represented by 2. And all of them are at row 0. Okay. So whatever is displayed for this list would be of 0th row and 0th column. The values displayed for this list would be first row, sorry, 0th row and first column. Whatever values displayed for this would be at position 0th row and second column. Okay. Now let's see how it is done. So here we'll start with 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. We'll start with 0, 1 so that you will understand it very well. So when we start with 0, 1, let's clear it first so that we'll have it. Now we are working with this list. Okay. So here list of list 0, 0. So 0, 0 means this number. Okay. Now 0, 4 would be displayed by 0, 1. This is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Okay. Now when we'll talk about this list, it will be displayed by 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay. Because this is the first column and this is the second column. So A will be displayed by this one and second column and 0th row would be this one. Okay. And accordingly, the remaining. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Likewise. Okay. So this is how it would be displayed. Okay. This is about the list. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.